Watch some of the FIBA basketball feature in Jamaica. First against the Bahamas, where we lost by 3 points, and then against Canada, where they got clobbered by 16 points. And outside of being an exciting spectacle for the local fans, Jamaica was basically outclassed by both teams. Our offensive game revolved around our 7-foot center, Kofi Coburn, dominating in the paint, while both the Bahamas and Canada were brutal from three-point range. And in modern basketball, you got to have outside shooting. And of course, it was disappointing to see Jamaica lose 2 games in a row in front of the home fans. I mean, us Jamaicans, we feel that if we see even Jacks and Dandy Shandy, we must defend we yard. But the truth be told, Bahamas and Canada are significantly better basketball teams than Jamaica. And when we look at the basketball itself, you could all see the disparity. We could all see the difference. See Jamaica.